Shidim Shari. Good morning. It is Friday. Let's see how this day is going to play out. But it can be crazy. It's almost Friday, but it should end the week in decent shape. At least that's what I am looking forward to. First up, one earning yesterday of a position I have, ELF. All right, real quickly, here's a headline on Seeking Alpha. Okay, some of the thing. ELF Beauty underwhelming fiscal 25 outlook weighs on share. This is the kind of thing that I always think is silly when it comes to quote unquote reporting journalists. It's the most polite word I can use is silly. Okay, silly is what I can tell you. All right, let's go back to last quarter. I have started to follow ELF. Uh, I say previous to last quarter, but I believe I mentioned ELF last quarter on one of my fast stream, but that was the first time. But I follow ELF before, but I start to focus more on ELF last quarter after uh, you know the Estee Lauder, Ulta, all those other stocks that I traded for the past many years start to break down, and I focus more on this sector. And here is last quarter report. Okay, and let me scroll down real quickly to the area where they give fiscal projection right here. Here you go. All right, so this is what back in May, this is what they gave. This is the actual number of what they reported back in May for that year. It's one of those weird company. ELF is one of those company where the fiscal is not January to December. It's March. Okay, it ends in March. Trust me, I have never understand why company did that, but whatever. But focus on this number here, okay? And this is what they did yesterday and what they gave as far as updated outlook. Okay, let me scroll down so you can see. These are the exact number. On the right side is the exact number here that they gave back in May. So there you go. And this is what they provided last night. They updated, revised up. Okay, up. Sure, the tax rate stayed the same, but sales, adjusted EBITDA, adjusted net income, earning per share, phenomenal. Yes, it is an expensive stock. Make no mistake about it. This is a high growth slash high expensive stock. All right, it's not cheap. It's not low PE, but it's growing very well. So this, the so-called headline that you see is at best, I would call it silly. All right, let's jump into the chart. Coty is, by the way, another competitor, but let's not deal with Coty. We're not trading Coty. We're trading ELF. All right. So I bought after hour yesterday. I believe the lowest that I paid was 165.5. I bought at once. I bought at 170, 172, 174, 169, 168, 160. I bought all over, but the range was 174 down to 165.5. I think the average was just under 171 as far as my average cost last night, which is fine. Um, it went as low. It's, I think, below 160. Well, for sure, 165.5 was a little. Why guess? Why guess? Yeah, last night it went as low as 162.5. That was whack. Okay, that was whack. Um, I entered in order when I saw this crash down here to 166. What I did was I entered in order up to 174, down to 165.5, not knowing that it will do one of these reversed here. Okay, so I like it. I don't mind at all owning it, and I do believe it will settle somewhere up there, right? So, but if you can and want to add to it, I think you're gonna get your chance today, maybe at the 200 MA. That would not be a bad spot at all. In fact, on a dump, if this stock opened on a dump, I myself even put spread for next week down here in the 150. Okay, but no, I like Elf here. All right, let's take a look what another stock that I sold out last week or earlier this week, but it's back into my area of interest. Vulcan. Right. I like Vulcan here. Would I add it at the 200? Yes. Okay. This is also another highly volatile stock for $250 kind of stock. It can move easily, as you can see the range. Okay, it can prior to earning it peaked at 278. On earning it came way down. Okay, on earning day it got smashed down to 240 right at the fib and bounce. Okay, and then it bouncing at the 200. So yeah, would I throw out order at 240? Yeah. Would I buy 242? Yeah. 243? Yes. But I like Vulcan here, right? I like Vulcan. It's definitely on my buy list. Now Airbnb, oh boy. Oh boy. But is this the bottom? It hit the new bottom. Oh, revenge traveling. Revenge experience. Is that over? I say yes, but is this a tradable bottom? First of all, it filled the gap and got lower. Let's go back 3 years. Let's go back 3 years. If you well, it basically came down to another ref low, right? The wonder of there you go. Let's put a line right there. Okay, we're gonna put in a line right there. That's the ref low going back 2 years. Yeah, it didn't come down there for a random spot. And then the next one, if you want to wonder if that's not the bottom, where else can it go? Right? Where else can it go? Down there. Wow. But let's not mistake the pandemic low. It's a lot lower. Okay, let's go back to the pandemic low. Let's see, go back 5 years. It's hard to believe that the pandemic is past 3 years. It's crazy how fast time go. Okay, yeah. Oh geez, even 5 years chart doesn't go back far enough, huh? What am I? It's not. Am I crazy? Where's it? Where's the? Did I hit the wrong? Ah. Why does it go back? Because Airbnb does not exist before 2020. uh, it doesn't go that far back for whatever reason. Doesn't matter. Let's go back to the 1 year chart. Um, if you want to buy the dip, this might be the spot. If you want to play it safe, sell puts spread down there. Okay, if there is such a thing as a 103, 100 spread, that's where I would play in case the bottom fell out of this level. But I do think it is getting to that point. If you do a fib, of course, if you do a fib retracement, it has fully retraced. Okay, I don't need to draw it. You can see it like it has completely round trip this move. Okay, so it is back to the scene of the crime as far as bottom. It pierced for a new 52-week low and then bounce up. So yeah, I think here is a tradable bottom. I wouldn't chase it here, but on a red day down to the 115, yeah, between 115 and 110, and you might enable some share for a trade. That's what I would do. Beside trying to sell a put spread down there. But that's it for today. Um, it's gonna be a busy day for sure, but my focus will be on ELF.